Hey, welcome everyone to an unboxing of the Skullcandy Sesh ANC Active truly wireless earbuds. There's a couple of features, or rather three features listed on the front of the box, one of them being the phenomenal battery life claim, but I'll put it through the ringer and testing to see what it's like in the review. A link to the review will be in the video description. I'll put it through like an extensive battery test to see if their claim is true, as well as a whole bunch of other things. But let's continue with the unboxing first. First and foremost is documentation. So this looks to be a quick start guide, just quick instructions on basic controls, how to pair with your first device, like maybe your cell phone or whatever. So that's that. And then, okay, now we have a user guide with more control instructions. So I don't understand why there's two sets of documentation, but I'm sure it's not that hard. These type of devices are usually pretty easy to use, but it's just weird. So I'm just using the knife while it's closed up to take the USB cable out. It's USB-A to USB-C. The USB-A side of the cable is pretty funky looking, but it's still just a regular USB cable at the end of the day. I assume. I'll test that as well. And then here's the case itself. It's a little large. It's not too thick, like top to bottom. So we'll see what it's like in the pocket. If there's anything to complain about, I'll mention the review. If I don't mention it, then that means it's okay. Just getting these seals off, the magnetic clippings on the earbuds. Okay. And then just getting the earbuds out. It's just a bit of a struggle because the sticker won't get off my finger when I take it off the earbud, so it's a bit of a pain in the butt. So I'm just kind of struggling with them because just trying to get them up here. I want to get the camera at a good angle. So here you have the Skullcandy logo, and here I'll get a better angle for you guys. And there they are. So that's pretty much it. You also get multiple earbud fittings in the box. And here, just kind of playing around with them. But you can see on the top left, you have multiple earbud fittings, including the box as well. So if the initial earbud fittings that come out of the box don't fit, at least you have different fittings to play and adjust with. Again, a link to the review will be in the video description, along with my social media links. Hit the like button, it does help. Subscribe, and thanks for watching.